Hey besties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Tsholo, and if you have been here, thank you so much for being here. On today's video, I am doing something a bit different, and I am doing a wig review on this 12-inch straight hair that I've had for a couple of months, and it's from OQ Hair. I will leave everything about the hair in the description box. You know, the whole shebang. So yeah, I really hope you guys do enjoy this video, and please excuse my eyebrow. I couldn't actually fix it, so please do bear with me. And yeah, I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is their packaging, and that's their social media. And yeah, and also with OQ Hair, you also get this pamphlet. It's like they're running a campaign in a way. They also pay you for maybe getting 500 likes, and they give you $10 and stuff like that. And then this side, they have this how to manual, or how to bleach your hair and stuff. So yeah, I really hope you guys do enjoy. Take me now, I'm helpless. I found. So now that we are done installing this glueless wig, I am just going to review it a bit and touch here and there, you know. So this is a 12-inch straight hair, and it is 180 density, as you can see. It is a 5 by 5, and it has that band for tight security on the head. And yeah, as you also can see that this closure, it is HD. This hair doesn't shade. The hair doesn't shade at all. Well, there can be a bit of shading, but only like two nyana strips here and there. And yeah, it doesn't tangle, like it never has tangled at all. It's very much clueless. Like, I don't even have to like run around and look for the glue. To be honest with you, I love the hair, and I would definitely go back to the company and buy the hair. I must say, I am definitely going back. As you guys can see that it's extra soft. I am definitely going back to OQ hair, guys, because what is all of this? Like, I don't think I've ever looked this cute. Like this. This hair makes me look like I don't know who, but I don't really need hair like truth be told. Truth be told, Kesana, I look like $1 million babe. I look like and that's on per. Yeah, lala, guys. But anyways, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one.